I keep finding these cicadas in our yard because we have so many out right now. Look at this little guy. He's just a baby. He isn't even shed yet. He isn't molted. Update, the baby is no longer a baby.
And they made that.
Oh,
They
it's
invented it as like a thing, because they're like, so the creators of it, they're working on doing like, hey, we need to.
from the tree.
Daddy! There. Dad! Dad, I'll tell you something. Tomorrow, I'm going to Becky's house.
So he moved from his spot. I don't know if he's gonna stay here much longer. I don't know when he's gonna start moving more. So I really don't want to say goodbye. What in the world? Somebody got caught in some cobweb. Hi. Update. There's a spider on the cobweb. Caterpillar. And he's probably confused. This thing is got. Hold on. He's hiding. Little buddy. Come here. It's fine. Hi. Oh, don't do that. Hey, you're okay. I'm trying to save you because you're covered in cobwebs. Oh my goodness. Hi there. Hey. You're pretty. Looks like hurts. You good? You good there? Anyway, I'm gonna let this guy go somewhere. Just gonna let him hang on to the stick because he's kind of freaked out. You know, just hanging on for dear life. And my goodness, you gotta be kidding me! There's so many. Hi, little buddy. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's gotta be another one nearby. This one looks fresh. Softer. Anyway, as you can see here, this one's shedding right now. Look at those big eyes. See that little yellow thing on the tree? That's the caterpillar. This guy is starting to mature. Came out as well.
He's smaller.
Easy to watch when their wings come out. Just put it there. That's where the other guy liked being. you see his wings right
Yeah.
here? There's 1 and 2.
Oh. Oh. They look like little leaves. Oh.
Beautiful, good work. There's our first friend. He's getting older. The other guy is way up there. Hey. That guy's climbing up now, and the other one is way up there.